Hello and welcome to the library at the University of Johannesburg. My name is Maria Frahm-Arp and I'm the Executive Director here at the library. We would like to welcome all our postgraduate students to the library, and we are here to help you. Firstly, congratulations. Getting accepted to do an honours degree or a master's or a PhD is a huge achievement. And as you journey along your research path, I'm sure you're going to feel overwhelmed and daunted at times. And at other times, you're possibly going to feel a little bit lonely. That's when you need to remember the library. We are here to help you and to support you. And we're going to support you in a number of very practical ways. The first is our Research Navigator. This is for an honours, master's or PhD student. And it takes you all the way through the research process. So it's a bit like a compass, and at every point in your research process, we have support for you. You can find the Research Navigator on our website, and we take you from conceptualizing an idea to study, finding funding, writing your proposal, managing your data, managing ethical clearance, finding the literature you need, writing up your thesis or dissertation, and then hopefully getting it published. And we help you through this whole process with important information, books, videos, podcasts to read that really help you to master each step of your research process. The second very important way in which the library will be supporting you is with the Research Data Management site. Those of you who are on an NRF bursary will have to show where your data is being collected. When you write your proposal in your ethical clearance, you will have to declare where is your data being kept. The library is the site where you keep this data. It goes up onto our Research Data Management site, and we will be giving you all sorts of training and support in how to manage this. We can take any form of data and put it onto this site so that you can find it, and if you wish to make it accessible to other people, that they can find it as well. The library is also going to be the site that you will go to when you are looking for research. Has anybody ever done this research before? Well, for that you're going to need our institutional repository to see whether research like this has been done before at UJ or whether it's been done before at another university. Then you're going to need the library when you are actually researching what has been done on the topic that you have chosen. The faculty librarians are here to help you. You are not expected to do this on your own. How to find data, how to download data, how to work our fabulous new Lean Libraries product. Lean Libraries is a product, it's an app that you just download onto your computer, and then you can use Google or Google Scholar or JSTOR or any other search engine. And if the library has that material, it'll pop up on the side of your screen. If the library doesn't have the material you're looking for, then a form will pop up and you can order that. Now, isn't that research made easy? The library will also be running a variety of different seminars and workshops and events that will help you to think about the research process that you're embarking on, manage your time, learn how to write better, and hear other people share their research so that you can learn from them. Remember, the library is here to help you. The librarians are only a phone call or an email away. The librarians want to help you. We find your research deeply fascinating and interesting. We want to engage with you and journey with you. In some ways, you can think of us a little bit as Sherpas, people who will carry some of the research burden along with you so that you can get to the top of the mountain and succeed, completing your honours, masters and PhD in minimum time, if at all possible. We hope that you enjoy your research journey and that you find the library helpful and that we can support you along the way. All the very best with your studies, and welcome to UJ.
The University of Johannesburg, the future reimagined.